We're asked to solve this exponential equation and express the solution set in exact form and then approximate to the nearest thousandth. So to do this, I'm going to start by doing this by hand. And so when I pull this up, we can see this is actually pretty easy to solve. We have 4/9 to the x equals 5. You're going to want to take the natural log of both sides. So then you have the natural log of 4/9 to the x equals the natural log of 5. Then we can use our logarithm rules to move that x out in front. So x ln 4/9 equals ln 5. And then we just divide by the ln 4/9. So x equals ln 5 over the log ln 4/9. This is our exact one. So I can put that in here. And I'm going to have the ln of 5 over the ln of 4/9. Now to find the exact solution, bringing up my calculator here, I'm going to just do this. I'm going to do first right here at ln of 5. And then I'm going to divide by the ln 4. I made it bad. I did this earlier and I don't know what I did to the thing. Hold on a second. Okay, I still really don't know what I did wrong, but I managed to fix it. 4/9. Oh, let's go back and put in the 9th. And then end parentheses, and I've got my answer there. So about -2, -1.9. So we have to round to the nearest thousandths. 9.8 and thousandths would be 5. So come back here. -1.985. Now, this is the answer, but this says support your answer using a calculator. What does it mean? Well, how can we support our answer using a calculator? Well, what we can do here is we can graph this 4/9 to the x, and then we simply look for when that equals 5. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to come here and I'm going to graph 4/9. Yeah, I really don't like that 9, do I? 4/9 to the x, and I'm going to graph this. Now, I want to know approximately when this -2 shows up. Is that about 5? Because we want to know, when y, which is this out here, is about this -1.98, and we want to make sure it agrees with this 5. We're looking for that point, -1.985. So I'm going to go here. So I'm going to go to table set, and I'm going to start this here. You can see I'm going to start this at about -2, which is what my answer approximately was. And then I'm going to bring up my table, and I can see that here -2 is about 5. So that supports what I got here. This equals 5 when x is about -2. So I can see that this does support my answer, and that's what they mean. And the best way to do this, now obviously you can use the graph and try to, go to the trace, and you can try tracing it out, but I find that's really tedious and hard to do, and I prefer this table set button here, and to simply start it where I want, and then just go. And obviously this just goes in discrete increments, up and down. You can start anywhere. You can even change this. If, for instance, you needed it smaller, this is going by ones right now, but I could change it to 1/2. And now it's going to go up by 1/2. So I can have this do whatever. If you need it by tenths, anything like that, so you can get the best answer possible, and you can get a wide variety and kind of scroll through and find the one you're looking for.